So today I'm breaking down whether the MacBook Pro M4 is the perfect holiday upgrade or just an overpriced refresh. But before we go step by step, let me show you something surprising. If your Mac ever starts lagging or the fan spins up for no reason, there's one hidden feature in macOS that instantly fixes performance, and I'll show you that in a bit. First, let's talk about the M4 MacBook Pro itself. This thing is an absolute machine. Apple's new M4 chip focuses on three big upgrades: faster efficiency cores, a stronger neural engine for AI tasks, and better thermal stability under long workloads. And honestly, you can feel it. Video editing, 3D work, multitasking, it barely flinches. The display is one of the best in the world. Mini LED, extreme brightness, perfect blacks, it's basically a portable studio monitor. Battery life also gets a bump, especially for creative apps that now use more of Apple's on-device AI acceleration. But here's the catch. If you're coming from an M3 or even an M2, the upgrade might not feel dramatic unless you push your machine with heavy workloads. And the price? Yeah, Apple still charges a premium, especially once you bump storage and RAM. Still, there's a reason creators keep going back to the MacBook Pro. It's reliable, powerful, built like a tank, and honestly, the most plug-in and work laptop you can buy. Now, back to the hidden feature. If your Mac ever slows down, go to the system settings, battery, options, and enable performance mode. It removes background throttling and makes the entire Mac feel instantly faster, especially during editing or gaming. So, is the M4 MacBook Pro a perfect holiday upgrade? If you're an older Intel Mac or an early M1 model, absolutely. If you're on M2 or M3, it depends on your workload and your wallet. If you want a full setup guide for maximizing performance on the M4 MacBook Pro, drop a comment and don't forget to like, subscribe for more simple US tech reviews.